with proper approvals, proper SGM approvals explicitly for each line item. Yes, and based on the priority, right? So that is where we are. And of course, some members have asked for more details, like how exactly, what will be the scope and all those details. If we have town halls, we also noted that point that if we have town halls, we will have meetings for that as well, and we will share that as well. We will treat them on par, though it will not be a statutory requirement, I don't know, somewhere, but we will have it for our records, for sharing with the members. Right?
We are not asking previous approval by last point. इसका आगे पहले इसके प्रीवियस ये लास्ट पॉइंट
This is
इसके बाद
नहीं, वो तो एजेंडा 6 है।
इनोवेशन नहीं आया आएगा नहीं मेरा बोलने का पहले अप्रूवल बाकी रहेगी।
इसमें ये तो अप्रूवल ले लिया हम लोगों ने, एजेंडा 4 का हो गया। एजेंडा 5 में बजट प्रोविजनरी हम लोग ने बताया, ये एक्सपेंसेस का जो है एक्सपेंस का अप्रूवल नहीं है, जैसे
अप्रूवल नहीं
दिस इज द
बजट ही अप्रूवल ले रहा है।
That's what we will discuss.
Can I just say this? The expenses that you see in the next slide. So this is to everyone. The next question is, are you asking us for budget approval for these expenses?
Not for this, for prior slide, before this one.
Please don't, okay, just for everyone's information, this particular slide does not have the planned expenses in this. Okay? These expenses are the BAU. So I just explained, because we've done some work, hard work on this. What you see here, if you can just increase what you see here for 24-25. Okay? The first is the income side. The income from society, that is in 24-25 we had 26 to 2.6 crores. Compared to that, 25-26 estimate we are at 3. Now this is excluding the 9.35 per month of funds that we go into repair. Okay, this is the amount that you can utilize. So this is the society income. Against this, I have marked the expenses, which is the as-is expenses that we currently have hold on. That these are the expenses. These don't include the expenses that we have planned out. And that is what I had taken.
My point is that your agenda number 5 approve the annual budget.
Let me complete. So what I'm saying is this particular is a window to you all to understand the kind of expenditures we have across years in each of the heads. The next slide that you have is the planned expenses for 25-26, the next 1.5 years. What we are asking you is to look at review the list of expenses we are talking, which many of you, in fact 90% of you are agreed with the expenses listed. We ask you to approve the expenses that you see in the next slide. The budgeted amounts, correct? The budgeted amounts, this is the estimates. With each of these expenses, we will come to you. We will come to you, general body, detailed expenses listing with the quotations, everything. What we are right now looking for your approval is the expenses that you look here, right? These are the expenses that we are looking to approve for the next financial year, to the next 1.5 years. That is till September 26. These are the expenses that we are looking to incur in the coming next 18 months. That is what we want to prove here. These, the budgeted amounts are just estimates for each and every expense. We will come to you for an SGM and we will give you the proper details that you're asking us. From where the funds have to come and so on.
It is to approve annual budget for financial year 26-27. Where is this point that you are showing? Which slide?
So this is the projection, this is the proposed expenses. This does not include any discretionary expenses. Okay, the ones that are listed on the next slide. What Smita is trying to present is, these are the expenses which we anyways have to incur. And these are all monthly expenses. Out of the...
So you want an approval on this slide?
Yeah. This is
My short question.
Yeah.
So my point is that these are recurring expenses. You can say statutory expenses that are going to happen. So we should have
So the thing to note is 5%, 7% escalation.
that you would have published and got the approval. These are not expected balance sheet.
This is not monthly expenses that we incur any which with business as usual. The other expenses are planning. That's why they are not putting there on the...
I think before publishing it to these numbers, people would not be able to tell you yes or no. I'm frankly, that's why my point is coming last year as well. My point is coming last year as well. You are taking the blanket approval without seeing or understanding these figures. We are seeing and we are questioning it, that's it. But we don't have understanding in writing in advance 15 days ago that this number should be here. And last year also I pointed out this thing. You should have given this thing.
So what should be our approach going forward? We share this in advance.
Yes,
Do you want
yes.
to include even the planned expenses?
Every fixed expense as well as recurring expense should be published in advance for analysis and understanding of members so that they could query you. These are the
By
understanding.
fixed means, for example,
The next slide, these are the fixed expenses and prior are the recurring expenses.
planned expenses and recurring expenses.
Whatever fixed and recurring, both are planned only.
Fixed का definition is different. These are the expenses that we
No, second slide is the fixed, correct? Next slide is the fixed expense.
Yeah, one time.
One-time expense.
These are both fixed.
One time, fixed, one time.
One-time expense.
So, okay, so what do we do with this agenda item?
We should, whenever you are going to conduct an SGA, you should have asked for the approval at that time, rather than giving a hodgepodge and get a blanket approval. My suggestion is that only.
So how do we move forward? So what we do is anyway, we are not seeking approval for these amounts because they will be approved in specific SGMs. All right?
One question I have. Now suppose you say these are your expenses anyway you have to do. So for example, you change the vendor with the higher cost and they say that anyway we have to income the expense. Please approve it. That is not wrong, no?
So for that,
So this type of expense just giving in say, no, anyway we have to income this expense, incorrect.
no, but for example,
Your, if you remove the, even if you add the sinking and repairs fund, still you are short of funds.
yes, we definitely are
I
very
think
sure.
better
What is the
send those
meaning
people
of making the
get
budget?
the queries and then conduct an exam and then close that point.
Okay, so I think that makes logically sense. Let's skip this one. We will not get any approval.
But
We'll skip this agenda point. We will put forward a
Not
special.
skip, but just that this will be taken ahead in next SGM, else this will be cancelled for 6 months.
Yeah, no, we'll be taking this out, this particular agenda item in a special SGM for this one. Okay, for the budget,
just one
with plan and recurring expenses.
One thing I'd like to understand from Karan, what are you expecting in the next SGM? How do you want this to be presented?
So whatever recurring expenses you are happening, like security, I think salaries and all those things are taxes are. So give these things that these are the expenses that we are going on monthly or half yearly or yearly.
It's the breakup. You
हाँ,
want a breakup of
that is the planned budget of year of expenses, recurring
You
expenses.
have that right.
हाँ तो वो आप एक पब्लिश करो. दूसरा जो आपका वन टाइम एक्सपेंस है, आप पेंटिंग करना चाह रहे हो, उसका डिटेल आप भेजो. स्कोप ऑफ वर्क विद टाइमलाइन. आप ऐसे अप्रूवल मत लो उसका. तो आप नेक्स्ट स्लाइड जो आप बोल रहे हो, दैट नीड टू बी डिस्कस विद मेंबर की प्रायोरिटी क्या है.
I see it in a different way. Now they have a plan. They have put a limit, right? They have put a limit on the expenses. If they exceed that limit, and they feel that the limit is going to be exceeded, this should come to SGM approval for the limit they are exceeding. Otherwise, I mean, I think it's a fair proposition. Budgeting is budgeting. And
It is a fair proposition. I think audit report you have not read it. Audit report will clearly be happening. So whatever
but this was a practice before also.
So Joshi's time, I will tell you. I will tell you. Joshi's time, Joshi has already discussed. We come to AGM minutes. We have shown all these figures and we have got it approved in January. I'm very much confident. COVID के टाइम पे उन्होंने वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग का अप्रूव करवाया है. So I agree on that. So ये और आपको अप्रूवल चाहिए ना, अप्रूवल देने के लिए बड़ा शेयर करने में दिक्कत है.
इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि कितना बार एसडीएम करेंगे
नहीं तो शेयर कर लीजिए. आप बोल रहे हैं शेयर हो रहा है. एजेंडा शेयर हो रहा है. रेड्डी जी, आपने एजेंडा भेजा, उसने एजेंडा भेजा. Now this becoming a process because you have not shared. That's why we are asking for the
you want much more detailed quotations and everything for each exam.
पहला चीज ये.
This is clear. Karan, this is clear. This is clear.
Next slide is
Next slide छोड़ दो.
No, that is clear.
for these items,
These are
they have to be done. Payment has to be done right now.
नहीं नहीं तो मतलब
Payment
What people are doing in these situations. भैया आपका 10 करोड़ की रिपोर्ट में क्या बिल पेंटिंग का वर्क नहीं था. हाँ, बट सुनिए 10 करोड़ की रिपोर्ट में यू आर सेइंग
Guys, I think Pradeep ji point taken. Thank you for your inputs. From what we understand, if we summarize, we will be conducting a separate SGM. We'll come back to you with the business as usual expenses and the projected increase. For example, due to inflation, we expect housekeeping cost, let's say 5% increase, 3% increase, right? We have already done that here, right? Point taken, it wasn't shared before the meeting, so we will do a special SGM for that. We share all these details, probably add more, based on some, you get some people to really, because we want to be transparent, we want to do this the right way. राइट तो आप लोग के जो भी सजेशन थे भाई ये चीज करो ये मिलेगा मैं कल अप्रूव करूँगा तो आप आइए आपको बताइए क्या क्या देखना है
मीटिंग 3 मिनट में खत्म हो सकती है वो
करेक्ट सो वी वांट टू गेट देयर आप यू कैन वर्क विद अस टेल अस we'll announce the SGM dates we get this knocked out in one go okay so let's move forward with this one so we agreed for this one resolution we'll conduct an SGM and we'll get this passed in a special SGM.
No, I think part of the confusion is because this page is also titled to approve. With that, what you are exactly saying is estimated expenses. The previous sheet is something is a recurring expense which I think should pass, and this should not be put as an agenda to approve because now you're not asking to approve.
I think yes because the agenda slide had the same title I think that's how
That change would have solved this.
Right. Okay, so I think we will need just to ensure that we conduct this right. We need a proposal and approval. Resolution that we will be conducting an SGM to get agenda number 5 to that. Yes.
This year or next year? SGM was by.
Sorry.
Was the year or next year SGM?
This SGM नहीं SGM special. ठीक है तो we will close that. We will resolve that right. So one proposal, one second, just quickly please. Proposal is can you please wait? Mic लेके बता. We'll move on.
Puneet Chaukas, CLOC 402.
Okay, we need a secretary please. Okay. Okay. Thanks. So we'll conduct a special SGM for that. We'll move on to agenda number 6, which is a special, very specific request. There have been several new members, who have joined CLO, and as you are aware, they all need to be issued share certificates. Now, it's typically if there's a second sale, you put it on the back. Now, if there's a third or fourth sale, then you need more share certificates to be captured. That's the reason we are requesting a permission to print up to 25 new share certificates.
So what is the purpose of new share certificate?
Purpose of new share certificate in case new members are joining, right? Typically, if it's the first time the person has purchased, it's on the front of the share certificate. Then resale, we put it on the back. Right now, if it's a third or fourth, how do you capture?
That is also back. There are 10. If you have a share certificate copy, this is the front.
Hold on.
I think madam knows everything, but this is the front page. My name is written over here. I have sold the flat. Second person name over to come here. Third person came below. Like there are 10.
Okay, so I think the accounting man will be able to clarify everything.
No need to be 1 minute current. वो होता है शेयर सर्टिफिकेट एक ही होता है उसके पीछे हम 4 बार लेते हैं बराबर है शेयर सर्टिफिकेट चेंज कब होता है जब फर्स्ट ओनर एक्सपायर हो जाता है फर्स्ट ओनर गिफ्ट देता है या तीसरा ओनर होता है वो एक्सपायर हो जाता है तो या वो गिफ्ट देता है ऐसे 3-4 बार हो जाता है उसको हम पैक में लिखते हैं लेकिन हमने जब फर्स्ट टाइम इशू किया था तो कैसे सिक्वेंस था कि जो शेयर सर्टिफिकेट जो फ्लैट फर्स्ट सेल हो गया था या जो उसका एग्रीमेंट फर्स्ट बना था वो फर्स्ट नंबर का शेयर सर्टिफिकेट था उसका सीक्वेंस से उन्होंने बनाया था बराबर है अभी हमारे पास 550 शेयर सर्टिफिकेट हमने बनवाए हैं उसके अंदर बनाते समय ही किसी का 1-2 का कैंसिल है
जैसे आपने स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट बताया का नाम फर्स्ट पेज पे ही इनकरेक्ट है, तो हैव वी आस्क्ड रजिस्ट्रार भैया आपको सेम सीरियल नंबर, सुनिए ना, मैं आंसर यस या नो में ले लूँगा आपसे कि आप नया शेयर सर्टिफिकेट प्रिंट करोगे विद सेम सीरियल नंबर सेम लिस्टिंग नंबर, ठीक है। दूसरा, जिसका शेयर सर्टिफिकेट इसमें सेकंड केस क्या मिसिंग है क्या कोई शेयर सर्टिफिकेट?
नहीं,
मिसिंग नहीं, पीछे का खत्म हुआ है क्या किसी का?
खत्म नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन जो शॉप नंबर 7 है
करेक्ट,
उसका प्रिंट ही नहीं हुआ है।
तो प्रिंट नहीं होता आपके तो 550 है नहीं अभी।
नहीं, हमारे सीक्वेंस अगर बुक है, एक बुक है 50 का लिस्ट है, हमारे पास 11 बुक है, तुम कैलकुलेशन करो,
550 हो गए।
550 हो गए,
Correct.
लेकिन उसके अंदर ये 3 नंबर की शेयर सर्टिफिकेट है ही नहीं है।
दैट्स व्हाट गुड डिस्क्रिप्शन यू शुड मेंशन।
हाँ।
ये आप लोग न्यू नहीं छपा इधर लिख रहे हैं आप लोग अप्रूवल फॉर एडिशनल शेयर सर्टिफिकेट, नो इट इज इन रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ दिस सिनेरियो। सो नहीं तो क्या होगा पता है, फ्रेश शब्द एडिशनल अब 550 प्लस 25 नहीं कर रहे, 575 नहीं कर रहे।
Fair point. That clarity is very good point.
प्रिंटिंग है
Correct. So this will be, these are not new share. मतलब 550 के 600 नहीं होने वाले. वही है, सब कुछ वो है. We'll create additional copies of that, right? In a new booklet up to 25 for the reasons that were just specified. ठीक है, कोई नए मतलब नए और shares issue नहीं कर रहे हो.
एंड अगेन
Same number of
वो
shares.
पॉइंट जस्ट चेक ऑन ईच केस विद रजिस्ट्रार कि कहाँ पे अगर अपन कोर्ट में वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड, बिकॉज मुझे नहीं चाहिए कि नेक्स्ट देखो मैडम तो कर रही है मुझे पता है, बट विद लैक ऑफ नॉलेज अगर हमने कुछ इनकरेक्टली एडिशनल छपा
नहीं, एडिशनल नहीं करें, हम 540 ही रहेंगे।
दैट्स व्हाट एडिशनल था ना, इसके लिए मैंने बोला।
नहीं, जो इसमें
ओरिजिनल सर्टिफिकेट्स वेयर मेड बेस्ड ऑन द इंडेक्स 2,
Yes.
मिस्टेक कैसे हो सकती है?
जो फ्लैट सेल नहीं हुआ था वो बिल्डर का फॉर्म, तो गैप नहीं मिला, गैप मिला है हमें। अभी हम क्या बोलेंगे, शॉप
उसके बाद एग्रीमेंट आया,
शॉप नंबर 7 वाले को बोल सकते हैं कि आपका शेयर सर्टिफिकेट ही नहीं है,
बाद में जो फ्लैट बेचे हैं और शॉप बेचे हैं,
और नहीं मिलेगा
अरे
ना।
वो टाइम पे एग्रीमेंट को उसमें भी इंडेक्स होगा था।
एग्रीमेंट नहीं था तभी, एग्रीमेंट नहीं था।
I think this one, right? Clarity provided. They are not issuing additional shares. उसका for reasons required, like specific cases जैसे आए हमारे सामने, we've discussed with internal auditor and basis of that, requirement आए कि हम इसको
बस खाली मिनट्स में डाल देना ब्रेकअप,
Yes, yes.
रिप्लेसमेंट है
replacement है.
तो आप वो जो है ब्रेकअप वो डाल देना।
तो उसमें
हम पूरा डिटेल डालेंगे।
Duplicate.
हाँ। इसका brainstorming है, इतना easy नहीं है कि ऐसा है तो ऐसा है। नहीं,
25 ही है, 25 का जो भी रहेगा आप समझ लेना क्या है और वो डिटेल डाल
इस
देना।
पूरे नहीं
पच्चीस
होंगे।
की करो, बुकलेट का साइज मिनिमम इतना करना है.
तो you mentioned that this will be additional booklet itself to fulfilling the booklet का requirement.
हाँ, क्योंकि एक छात्र नहीं मिलेगा ना, तो इसके लिए 50 का चाहिए तो 50 का
ठीक
छापेंगे
है.
तो 50।
So I hope members have received that clarity and with the caveats that this thing has provided. Of course, we work with every registrar ensuring कि गलत कुछ हमारे से नहीं हो जाए unknowingly. But ये परमिशन चाहिए थी कि 25 तक के हम लोग इसको for this reason split करें. So can we show a raise of hands and get this pass this agenda? Okay. Thank you. Approval and proposal, please quickly. Don't be patient. आप mic में बोलिए ना.
Joseph, flat number 1031004.
Mic में बोलिए, capture होगा.
My name is Joseph, 0G1204.
Second है please.
मयंक देना, मयंक देना। दो।
My name is COC2404.
Thank you. We move to the next agenda. We move one agenda which is 7 to later because we understand it will require detailed discussion. Some of them, for example, association related and legal and all of those related. This is an agenda which is more of an update we wanted to provide to the teams who are here present here. Over the last few meetings, last year or so, we've taken several approvals from you guys for various kinds of projects. So we wanted to provide a quick update on next steps. इसमें क्या है? तो फर्स्ट है हमारा CCTV का. ये एक इम्पोर्टेंट स्टेप है टुवर्ड्स इम्प्रूविंग आवर सिक्योरिटी. फर्स्ट फेज में हम लोग ने 3 फेज आइडेंटिफाई किए हैं. फर्स्ट फेज में अभी हमारे 74 कैमराज आर बीइंग इंस्टॉल्ड. दे आर अप एंड रनिंग अक्रॉस ऑल विंग्स, ऑल मेजर एंट्री एग्जिट पॉइंट्स, नॉट मेजर एवरी एग्जिट एंट्री पॉइंट. इसके अलावा भी लेकिन हमने आइडेंटिफाई किया था, वेंडर के साथ में भी डिस्कशन हुए हैं कि बहुत सारे अभी भी ब्लाइंड स्पॉट्स हैं. राइट, एंट्री एग्जिट में तो हो जाएगा लेकिन इतना पार्किंग हमारा सी शेप है तो कई जगह कैमरा अभी फिलहाल वो नहीं कैप्चर कर पा रहा है. later. Phase 1 is complete. Recording हम लोग ने ज़्यादा कैपेसिटी का डाला है, तो इतने सारे कैमराज हैं तो ज़्यादा रिकॉर्डिंग भी होगा अच्छा. Camera quality is also good. And we'll keep on adding more. This will enable our security to work more effectively. Second है borewell और rain water harvesting का. Borewell का
क्वेश्चन इज who is monitoring this?
okay.
So कैमरे लगाए. अभी अगर इसमें कोई जैसा you have put a notice last time about the movement of outsiders in the lift, then you know pets movement and all. तो कौन कैप्चर करता है इसको देखिए?
Okay. So security cameras will work.
उसके ऊपर कितना फाइन कलेक्ट किया अभी? एक कैमरे का कॉस्ट वसूल है कि नहीं हुआ?
एक से ज़्यादा कैमरा का हो गया है वसूल.
सिक्योरिटी को बताना चाहिए.
एक से ज़्यादा कैमरास का हो गया.
लगा दिया हो गया हम कर लिए तुमने.
अच्छा let's continue. I'll answer that.
फाइन का पॉइंट ऑफ बैलेंस शीट में कहीं दिख नहीं रहा है. So are we making
ये तो पिछले साल का है ना अभी बैलेंस शीट. अभी ये साल का
फाइन एंड पेनल्टी का हेड आया.
चालू कर दिया है. कुछ लोगों को फाइन कर भी दिया है. नॉट जस्ट कैमरा रिलेटेड.
But I think we have to make it complete. This will be accurate. कुछ लोगों को
नहीं. कुछ जिनको पकड़ा गया है कैप्चर हुआ है उनको राइट.
आइडेंटिफाइड आर फाइन.
यार वो पब्लिकली नाम नहीं बताओ. तो आप किसी को पूछा है कि किसने किया नाम का कैप्चर किसने किया? सिक्योरिटी वाले ने किया.
राइट. ओके. सो
अभी देखो क्योंकि क्या है
पोस्टमार्टम हुआ है.
अभी मैंने मैक्सिमम टाइम ना सिक्योरिटी के पास सिक्योरिटी के डेस्क पे देखा है कि एक लेडी जा रही है इधर सीलो के गार्डन में वो कुत्ते को जो भी करवाना है वो करवा रही है. सिक्योरिटी को बोला वो देख रहा था. मैं खुद जाके वीडियो अपने ग्रुप में डाला है और वो दिखाया भी है कि सिक्योरिटी गार्ड के डेस्क से मैंने ये वीडियो लिया है. तो उसके ऊपर अभी एक्शन कौन देगा वो क्वेश्चन.
लेट मी आंसर दैट क्विकली.
फाइन किया गया फाइन.
The short answer is we have started fining people. ठीक है. ये कैमरास भी अभी मतलब बहुत महीने नहीं हो गए इंस्टॉल होके. It took long time. 3 months का तो इंस्टॉलेशन पूरा कंप्लीट होने में साइट को आइडेंटिफाई करके इंस्टॉल करके हो गया. अभी 74 कैमरास आर अप एंड रनिंग. ठीक है. नाउ कैमरास देयर आर 2 ways. One is हम लोगों ने सारे सिक्योरिटी जो गार्ड्स हैं हर वीक में उनके पास एक मॉनिटर रखा हुआ है. वो वीक का और उसके आसपास के जो इमीडिएटली कैमरास हैं उनको वहाँ दिखते हैं. रिकॉर्डिंग हर एक कैमरा का हो रहा है. वो सेंट्रल हमारे इसमें हो रहा है. ठीक है. नाउ एज ऑफ नाउ एज वी नो आवर सिक्योरिटी ऐसे लाइव देख के रोकने वाली वैसी हमारे पास अभी फिलहाल सिक्योरिटी है. दिस इज अ फैक्ट राइट. तो वो नहीं होगा. बट जहाँ पर कोई रिपोर्ट कर रहा है कि देखो ऐसा है अभी कल परसों कुछ किसी ने लिफ्ट में रख दिया वो हमने आइडेंटिफाई किया इमीडिएटली टीम ने देखा रिकॉर्डिंग आ गया. अब हमारे पास प्रूफ है. पहले पास कोई प्रूफ भी नहीं. तो अब हमारे पास रिकॉर्डिंग है कैप्चर हो रहा है. वी कैन गो अप टू 15-20 डेज सम डेज का वी हैव रिकॉर्डिंग. सो वो हम लोग जाके अगर रिपोर्ट हो गया या अगर क्या हमारी सिक्योरिटी होपफुली जो हम लोग चेंज कर रहे हैं अगेन विल गेट टू दैट. दे विल बी होपफुली वेरी प्रोएक्टिव. तो जब हो रहा है तब रोकेंगे रादर देन पोस्ट फैक्ट. सम ऑफ देम आर आल्सो डिटरेंट राइट. दैट्स हाउ सिक्योरिटी कैमरास वर्क. लोगों को जब पता चलेगा कि पकड़े जा रहे हैं कैप्चर हो रहा है और फाइन भी हो रहा है तो खुद अपने आप थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा. दैट इज द गोल. सॉरी अभी फिलहाल स्पॉट उनको नोटिस पेज के ऊपर किया हुआ है. बट वी विल
This will be a part of
Wait, that's what I'm asking. What is the mechanism for thinking of putting? What is the mechanism of fine you are putting right now? आप अभी individually मार रहे हो, but ledger में या individually how will the society come to know कि आपने fine किया है?
फाइन किया अभी जैसे टीवी
सेपरेट फाइन का एक
और इसको पता ही नहीं है कि हुआ क्या उस केस में.
What he saying, आप जैसे बैलेंस शीट में दिखाओगे फाइन्स एंड पेनल्टीज 5,000 रुपये साल के आए. He saying कि अगर कोई स्पेसिफिक केस कैप्चर हुआ है उस फाइन में क्या नहीं वो कैसे.
ओके. सो अकाउंटिंग एंड कैन रिक्वेस्ट रंजना मैडम अगर कोई स्पेसिफिक किसी को 1500 रुपया 1000 रुपया फाइन मारा है तो अकाउंट में कैसे कैप्चर होता है. एक विल टेक वन मोर क्वेश्चन देन सॉरी.
What I understand now is phase 1 you are taking. No, every committee cannot start with phase 1. This already been done. Camera. Are you adding on to that inventory or you are adding a new exercise? Reinventing the wheel. What happened to the old cameras?
Okay, let's let me start. Old cameras, sir, you may not be aware, they were not functional.
Why?
Because they got damaged, they were installed, I don't know when, very long time ago.
Just 2 years, not even 2 years.
No, I have been at least 1.5 years in this committee, they were not installed 2 years ago. So that is, information is incorrect.
We can't afford to lose cameras like this.
In the balance sheet, you showed last year audit statement that you have been paid 2,20,000 some change to the CCTV of the old one. That if they were not functional, what is that paid for?
No, I don't think we ever faced CCTV guys.
We are not so rich society that we can, every committee starts with phase 1.
No.
क्वेश्चन मैंने रेज किया था अपने जनरल बॉडी मतलब गवर्निंग बॉडी को कि आप जब कब आए
हाँ, governing body.
कि जब आप कैमरा इंस्टॉल करोगे उसको कौन मॉनिटर करेगा? Is it insured because people could theft, it could be damaged? ये क्वेश्चन मैंने स्पेसिफिकली आपको
हमारा जो है वो ओवरऑल जो हमारे जो एसेट्स हैं अभी भी हमारे बुक्स पे अभी जस्ट आएंगे ये साल में परचेज हुआ है सो दीज एसेट्स विल बी एडेड पुराने इसका सीसीटीवी का
अभी आपने जो इंस्टॉल किया है वो
What happened to those cameras? Phase 1, I have seen it earlier also so many times.
सर आप बहुत पुरानी बात कर रहे हो हमारे कैमरा इसीलिए लगे कि तो पुराने चल नहीं रहे
पुराने नहीं चल रहे तो वो पैसा कितना आप लोग ने पे किया 2,20,000
हमने नहीं पे किया
आप जाओ स्लाइड 224 एजेंडा 2 में आप डालो सीसीटीवी
आई थिंक रिटर्न ऑफ होना और नए खर्चे करने में बहुत फर्क है वो पुराना ऐसे होता है नहीं आप डेप्रिशिएट करते हो ना
डेप्रिशिएट अलग है बट आपने पे किया होगा ना उसका
नहीं वो तो तभी जब खरीदेंगे तब पे किया होगा ना अभी 3 साल 5-7 साल पहले कैमरा लगे हुए पिछले साल थोड़ी पेमेंट हुआ है
That was installed 2023 and 24. ये 5 ये आप लोगों ने अप्रूव किया हुआ है उसके बाद ये खर्चा हुआ
अरे सर एक अगर ये अप्रूव किया है ना सर देन ऑल द अप्रूवल व्हिच हैव बीन डन टिल नाउ
Listen, I think let's sir, phase 1 of this project and this committee has taken up.
Every management committee cannot start phase 1. You have to continue.
So you want to name it differently? Is that your objection? Okay, let's call it phase 3.
30 cameras were installed.
I think we are getting stuck in, minutiae.
Well, I think from where he's coming, Indra, you're working in a corporate, okay? So you are joining a new company. So are you going to say that I will work from the fresh? I will not consider all my previous work? No. You will be considering what all work previous person has done and you will carry forward from it. Now I will answer your question. You are saying that cameras were damaged. You have a TV information. I think something is bad or something has been used old. From where he is coming that these from all 220. 20,000 is left, 2 lakhs has been closed. 20,000 should be had added additional. So what he is saying is that.
Okay, so
You had monitors, not for monitoring them. Everything was there. It was there. What is
सर
it?
ये जो डिस्कशन है ना सीसीटीवी का हम लोग जब ज्वाइन किए तब से चला आ रहा है आपसे अभी आपने क्वेश्चन किया मुझे आप आंसर करने दीजिए ठीक है अब कॉर्पोरेट का किसी ने बताया बराबर कैमरास जो है पुराने खराब हो चुके इसीलिए नए लग रहे हैं ठीक है डीवीआर और एनवीआर में फर्क होता है अभी वी वांट आई डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू डिटेल्स बट पुराने वाले जो कैमरास हैं हमारे आईपी बेस्ड नहीं थे नए वाले कैमरास हैं आईपी बेस्ड है लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी है उनके लिए एनवीआर लगते हैं उनके लिए अलग खर्चा किया हार्ड डिस्क खराब हो गई रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं हो गई
DVR का क्या?
वो सब उधर ही पड़े हैं because right now they are damaged.
So explain those things why we have started.
That was not the question. He's asking why is he calling
Yeah,
this
why
one?
we have started from phase 1 because you are not, it's not usable for the latest technology.
Let's not get stuck in the minutiae. Sir, ये update है. It's not a discussion. It's not a very marathon use of language. आप आपको इसलिए बुलाना है more than happy. बोले phase 5. That's okay, it's different.
Imran, related question, do we have inventory of all our assets?
Good question. All of our assets? No. We started doing it right now with all the new assets that we purchased. पुराना handover के time में ना ये हो गए ना I think even committee that existed before I don't think they ever got a proper list of assets.
Do you think we should work on it?
We have
the old committee had the list of assets which were given to the AO. After that it was not given that.
AO से हम लोग को ये committee को कुछ नहीं अभी वो recorded that in our first meeting as well. अभी ये जो assets है ना ये हम लोग books में add कर रहे हैं.
Old work, can we put them out?
Old books का कुछ तो exist ही नहीं करते अभी books पे भी I think we depreciate उन्होंने 2 बोरवेल डिग की है. आई वुड इनवाइट अपूर्वा ओवर देयर. ही कैन टॉक ब्रीफली अबाउट दिस. क्या हुआ है, क्या प्लान है, क्या चैलेंजेस आए हैं, वी विल बी एबल टू टॉक अबाउट इट. आवर वाटरमैन एक्वामैन.
Thank you, man. So, दो नए बोरवेल हमने जैन में इंस्टॉल किए थे. Amount of water which was coming out of it was good, but the quality of water from one of them was very bad. It was actually salty water which we cannot use anywhere. So, garden डालते ही चल गए थे सारे घास बस. So, we have right now 4 borewells. इसमें से in the SG of earlier, last season we started, right? For the purification plant when we had discussed, so we had got the quotations, everything based on certain parameters and TDS values which we have taken when the borewell was done. But just with back, before that as it happened, check the TDS and it had shot up more than 3-4 times. So we had to go back to drawing board basically to see कि क्या हो रहा है, why this has gone up. We cannot go with this particular scope of work which gave us this estimate, right? So at that point of time there was a discussion also that we should wait for the monsoon and see what happens with TDS levels once we get those spell of rain. And right now as per like last check which we had done, it has gone down again. So TDS of borewell is around 500-600 is right now at 300. One which was at 6,000 is right now at 1,500. That will not do. So that's there basically the problem. So purification plant right now we have to start work on that. We'll start work once we get the basically trend. What is exactly happening to the quality of water there? ताकि उसके हिसाब से हम specs बना के goods लें, right? Because membranes and the cost of the plant actually depends on the TDS and the quality of water. The TDS is a whole lot of parameters. The proper testing करता है, hardness का सब कुछ होता है. So we have to take that. RWH का it has got delayed due to certain reasons. Apart from myself also, but ultimately right now the work is happening outside the garden between borewell 2 and 3. So they are digging the pit there. They are going to connect the water which is being taken from all the terraces of respective wings from the P0. Already the connection is there, which right now goes to the irrigation tank right now. We are taking that water out of that and bringing the STP. Now STP में ही irrigation tank. So idea is that all the water which gets collected there, it goes to that pit and it is used to basically recharge the water. Try to get it.
Basically, right now, whatever rainwater is coming, we are going for STP, and we are trying to restore that water for our self-use.
Groundwater recharge.
I got it.
Yeah. So that is right now in progress and I think within couple of 2-3 working days it should get done. Yeah.
So with that, did you see tanker or anything?
What is written is to recharge borewells. Recharge borewells करके there is a concept. What you're recharging is the
Not borewells. Yeah, groundwater. Yeah.
what is written. I'm talking about that.
ठीक है sir. हाँ.
Second thing is, when you have analyzed the water quality, microbial content, chemical content, oil content, etc., everything,
Right.
there are hardly any filtration plants which can give you potable or drinking water if the microbial content, the kind of water in this river, which actually is also the main portion of the groundwater, which we will receive to the borewell, which would properly need a distillation plant, not a filtration plant. So, and third question is the rainwater harvesting. Why can't we put it in our tanks rather than the groundwater?
Okay, 3 questions, right?
And the fourth and the last one, borewell, ITDS, etc. understood, but जो हमारा underground tanks में जो silt और जो issue आ रहा है बार-बार, the whole silt passes on in our home, उसके लिए क्या करना? Because that issue is not getting resolved with any of these solutions. So I have literally invested around about 80,000 in last 3 years on filtration alone. I'm loud enough, I think.
Okay, thank you for the question, sir. So, first question, it is a error, okay? It's not recharge borewell, it is recharge of the groundwater, okay? That is the first question.
That's groundwater.
Yeah. Okay. Second question was basically on the irrigation tank. Why is irrigation tank में क्यों नहीं जा रहा है? यही बोल रहे हो ना आप लोग क्यों डाल रहे हो?
Water tank, direct water tank.
डायरेक्ट वाटर में पानी ऊपर से क्यों नहीं जा रहा? आप ये बोल रहे हो?
पानी rainwater.
Instead of recharging the
हाँ.
groundwater, we could recharge our own tanks, underground tanks.
But that water will not be potable right now. वो डाल सकते हैं सर कि वो we cannot do that.
Okay, so let me summarize. You're saying the surface runoff water from our terraces, the pipes that will now be planned to connect it to recharge the groundwater. You say, why are we not connecting it directly to the underground tanks? So, good question. One is rainwater that is falling on our terraces. Right now, as per our plan, it will go to the recharge pits. There is a basic level of filter, right? Some sedimentation, there's a layer, 3 or 4 layers. And that water is supposed to percolate. It's not directly fit for consumption. We cannot mix surface runoff water that is running from our terraces with all the dust and all the contamination directly into our water tanks, which are receiving sources, water from 2 primary sources. One is TMC, which is filtered water directly fit for consumption. Second is tanker water, which is nearly fit, but it has high TDS, right? But we can consume it ideally. Most of us are filtering the water any which ways. Third is borewell, which is the least of pure of all of them, right? Directly surface runoff water मिलाएंगे, we are contaminating good water because it is a shared tank. पहले पानी जो आता है TMC से फायर टैंक में जाता है. फायर टैंक this is compulsory. फायर टैंक से डोमेस्टिक में जाता है. डोमेस्टिक से फिर ऊपर की फायर टैंक में जाता है. उधर से फिर डोमेस्टिक में आपके घर में आता है. We cannot mix it directly unless we put another water filtration plant for this surface runoff water. That is not practical because आपको 4 महीना 5 महीना मिलेगा पानी. इसलिए हम उसको वाटर रिचार्ज करने के करेंगे और फिल्ट्रेशन प्लांट जो है हमारा मेन जो टैंक है उससे कनेक्ट होगा जिसमें हमारे ऑल सोर्सेज ऑफ वाटर, बोरवेल, वाटर टैंकर्स. टीएमसी को जरूरत नहीं है. टीएमसी का हम लोग एक प्लान कर रहे हैं कि टीएमसी का पानी जो कि साफ सुथरा है, डायरेक्टली पोर्टेबल है, वो डायरेक्टली आपके किचन तक हम लोग कैसे पहुंचाएं. दैट इज द प्लान. अदर सोर्सेज वी नीड अ फिल्ट्रेशन प्लांट. सो आई होप दैट हैज आंसर्ड योर क्वेश्चन.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट. अगर हमारे टैंक्स का हालत इतना ही अच्छा है तो why everyone is spending so much amount of money and literally removing.
So I answer that question also. Right now, we have been using TMC water which is clean, which hardly has any issues. Sometimes TMC water is also dirty. It's a fact. वो भी आ जाता है, पाइप का काम होता है, उससे भी बहुत सारा सेडिमेंटेशन वो सब होके आ जाता है जो कि कंटिन्यूसली हमारे फायर टैंक में एक्यूमुलेट होता है. Right? Second source is water tankers. We try to purchase water tankers below 300 TDS. Okay? But उसमें भी TDS को थोड़ा करके सेटल होते रहता है. That accumulates in our water tanks. Third is borewell, which pretty much borewell से आया इधर गया. उसमें ज़्यादा लेवल का सेडिमेंटेशन होता है. ठीक है? अब जब वो आता है आपके पाइप्स में इधर है, वो मिक्स होके आ रहा है. So वो सेडिमेंटेशन की वजह से वो सब की वजह से पानी जमता है. Then over a period of time, कभी वॉल बंद किया किसी का, you notice this whenever we shut down the line or we shut down the wall, उसके बाद immediately बहुत गंदा पानी आएगा. Because of the water that gets unsettled, sometimes the level goes much below the ideal level. तो पानी थोड़ा मडी हो जाता है, इसलिए आपको ज़्यादा दिख रहा है. जब हम ये स्टेज पे पहुँचेंगे कि फिल्टर्ड वाटर ही हमारे फायर टैंक में जाएगा और वहाँ से डोमेस्टिक में, तब ये प्रॉब्लम बहुत हद तक कम हो जाएगी. अभी नहीं हो पा रहा है बिकॉज हम लोग फिल्टर में नहीं डाल रहे हैं. सिर्फ टीएमसी का प्राइमरी सोर्स इज फिल्टर्ड, बाकी तो थोड़ा बहुत सेडिमेंटेशन आता ही है. दैट इज दी प्रॉब्लम. सर आई ऑल्सो हैव अ आरओ प्लांट. मैं भी वही कर रहा हूँ. राइट नाउ अगर आप सब लोग निकालेंगे एक अमाउंट, दैट इज व्हाई वी आर हियर ना. 25-30 लाख का एक फिल्ट्रेशन प्लांट, आरओ प्लांट का करना पड़ेगा. राइट? विच इज द सोल्यूशन टू रिमूव दैट लेवल, हाई लेवल ऑफ TDS. माइक्रोब्स को अगर खत्म करना है तो यूवी वो सब होना चाहिए. और वो अगर हम लोग को वही सेम पानी पीने के लिए यूज करना है तब ये करना पड़ेगा. अदरवाइज वी डोंट नीड फॉर हैविंग अ बाथ, even yeah. So that is the plan. We want to get the filtration plant done. क्यों? There are people who are even opposing textbook कर रहे हैं क्योंकि TMC से आना चाहिए. We've been trying. We've met so many times. People, लखोटिया जी हमारे ये हैं, ऑफिस में जाके बैठे हैं TMC से. Situation change नहीं हो रहा है ना होने वाला है. Considering the construction that is going on. So we need a water filtration plant to be able to tap into groundwater resources, tankers. और कोई ऑप्शन है. Immediately solution नहीं है, but we are moving towards. Okay, so next one.
One more thing.
kitchen, bathroom, everywhere. That is the first task we are seeing right now. Because a lot of people have this complaint, you have skin infection and everything. Second thing is what we have discussed with the RO plant vendors, where we have received quotations also from them. What they are claiming is 70% to 75%. They can use the water. 25%, 30% is what they claim will be rejected. All of them. And some of them we have seen their plants are currently operating in some of the facilities like Nirandani estate hai. So हमने देखा है. So that's what they are claiming. Idea was that the 4 portals itself was giving very good amount of water, and even after the wastage, okay, they could have almost gone to a zero tank situation. That time we didn't have this amount of water कि हम लोग इतना wastage कर पाते, right? But this time we have that much amount. So that is the reason basically we are looking for this. Because ultimately at the end of the day TMC water जो आता है उसके अंदर कुछ भी अलग से मिलाना is prohibited. You should not do that. TMC is 90 TDS water, 80 TDS water. So उसमें कुछ भी मिलाना it should not be ideal way. That is what we are trying to mitigate. हाँ, जो kitchen वाला बोल रहे that is one angle we are thinking of how to do that. अभी तक मिला नहीं है solution, but the idea is that इसको हम kitchen में देते हैं and some good level TDS bathroom में देते हैं. Respected जो है, we can mitigate this cost also.
See, if you are ready, if you are able to save more water, then what will happen is the charge of that means membrane cost, which is the running cost, will increase because you need to replace frequently that membrane. So committee has, general body has to see what is how it has.
So I will bring that up. We will discuss that.
पुनीत जी, आइडिया ये है कि जैसे हमने बताया जो पानी अच्छा है